So this is my project for math, and it will be about quadrilateral functions and how to graph it. So I'm using a real sample, and it will be shooting a basketball, and that will be about it. So here it is. We have to find the points, the initial, and the vertex. That will be the highest point of the figure that it makes kind of like a new this function. So the initial points will be 4, 6, that point right there. And after that, we're going to find the vertex. The vertex was going to be 10, 14. That's the highest point. Where the ball goes. So the initial points will be 4, 6. The vertex is going to be 10, 14. So these numbers, we're going to plug it in an equation. And if you are wondering about the other numbers about the graph, those are from the free point to the basket, that's 15 feet, and how tall the guy is, and he's 6 feet, let's say. So the vertex is 10, 14, and the point is 4, 6. So like I said before, these points, you're going to plug it in an equation. The equation is f of x equals a parenthesis x minus h parenthesis square minus h parenthesis square plus k. So we're going to plug in the numbers. It will be 6 equals a. We have to find the a, parenthesis 4 minus 10 parenthesis square plus 14. So we subtract 14, it will be negative a equals a, parenthesis negative 6, parenthesis square. So negative 6 square will be 36. So we get negative 8 equals a, parenthesis 36. So we divide it by negative 8 over 36, and we get negative 2 over 9. And now we're going to use the value of a, we're going to plug it in the equation. So we can get a new equation to solve for the other points. So it would be f of x equals, plug in the a, negative 2 over 6, parenthesis x minus 10 square plus 14. This will be the new equation that you can solve to find the other points for the function. Now we are going to find the range of the figure and the domain of this function figure, how you want to call it. So the range equals y less than 14, and the domain is going to be all real numbers. So after this, you can make a chart of x and y, and you can plug in numbers of x to find y and to plug it in the graph. So the numbers I'm going to use are going to be 14, 13, 12, 11, and 10. And we plug in the number and we put it in the equation, and you find the y. So that's how to find the y. And then you just can go in the graph and plug in the numbers, like you can see. So that's not difficult to do. It's easy steps to make, and you just have to make plugging all with the line all the points, and that's it. Thank you for your attention.